Hello guys, welcome back. It's Dispenser. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how do you fix a GE front load washer fabric softener dispenser that won't drain. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your front load washer here, well, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to check for clogs. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and open up your dispenser. Usually it's going to be at the top left here, but depending on what model you have, it might be in a different position or a different location. But typically speaking, what we need to do is you want to press the tab here and at the back and sliding it out. So basically, you want to take off the blue cover and clean everything with warm water, ensuring all residue is gone. Now, this might take a while because in this case, you need to make sure that everything is actually clean. So use warm water to drain or remove any of the remaining, in this case, fabric softener that is in here. Now, also test the drainage by pouring a cup of water into the softener compartment, and if the water siphons out, then dispenser is draining properly. Now, if it doesn't drain, then there is still a clog on it. Now, in that case, you need to deep clean the dispenser. Now, in this case, thoroughly clean dispenser and softener compartment with warm water, like what I said before, and remove all dried up fabric softener, so as this can harden like wax and block drainage. And also, you might want to check the cold water electronic valve here. So the cold water valve has multiple solenoids, including one of the fabric softener. So if the solenoids controlling the softener fails to open, then water won't flow into the softener compartment properly. Now, if this is the issue, replace the cold water electronic valve. Now, you can buy this online and you should be good. And also use the right fabric softener here. Now, make sure you're using the correct fabric softener for your washer, as the wrong type can cause buildup and clog the dispenser. Now, check the washer's manual for the recommended type here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.